Want to give your backyard a whole different look but are tight on budget? No problem. I'm here to give you 12 fantastic and affordable decor ideas that will transform your backyard from drab to fab. The good thing is, you don't need a complete revamp to change the way your space looks. All you need is to add a few elements here and there to make a dramatic, Instagram-worthy transformation. With these transformations, your family and friends will want to spend a lot of time in your backyard. And there's no need to hire a contractor either. I've got projects that you can definitely do on your own. Not only are they affordable, but fun to carry out as well. Don't believe us? Well, see for yourself. Here are 12 budget-friendly, do-it-yourself ideas to make your backyard looking fancy and Instagrammable. Same as the last video you saw in this channel, this list is also presented to you by simphome.com. And without further ado, let's start the countdown. Number 12. Add an entertainment area. Spruce up your backyard with a simple entertainment area. All you need is a table and some chairs and you're set. And no, you don't need to buy new stuff to make this project possible. In fact, the more vintage your items are, the more rustic your backyard will look. This idea is especially perfect for backyards that are brimming with trees and plants. The greenery will make it look like a magical orchard that you definitely want to relax in. Number 11. Create a resting place. Wouldn't it be nice to have a cozy area in your backyard where you can just sit back, relax, and sip some mock margarita? All you really need is some lounger chairs and you're good to go. Adding some seating to your backyard will give you that outdoor hideaway you totally deserve. Whether it's a comfy rocking chair, a vintage armchair, or some cozy wicker chairs, some seats resting under the shade of your tree are always a great idea. Add some throw pillows in there and you've got yourself a fabulous spot. You can stop there, but you can also make your backyard more functional by adding a fire pit somewhere. Together with the chairs, your backyard will be the most ideal venue for barbecues and cookouts. Number 10. As always, hang string lights. Decorate your porch, patio, or backyard with some string lights and turn them from wimpy to wonderful. The dramatic ambiance makes your space an ideal spot to watch the sunset. If you're tired of entertaining your guests indoors, give your backyard this simple revamp. It's an easy way to make your space ideal for intimate gatherings. String lights hanging from anchor poles or wrapped around trees add that magical element to your backyard. Plus, string lights are so affordable. You can buy as many as you like. It's the perfect tool you need to transform your backyard without breaking the bank. Number 9. Build a wooden walkaway. Got some used wooden board panels on hand and have no idea what to do with them? Don't throw them out just yet. Instead, use them to add more pizzazz to your backyard. What's more rustic than a wooden walkway in your backyard? Not only does this project give more personality to your space, but is also surprisingly easy to do. You don't even need to fasten the boards onto the ground. So not only is the installation quick, but lifting it for weeding is easy as well. You can end there, but you can also throw in some rocks on the side for an even more rustic flair. Number 8. Hang backyard banners. Here's another quick and affordable addition that gives a whole new look to your backyard. Banners. Either you buy or just print out banners. This project could not get any easier. Just hang those pretty banners from trees, poles, or posts and you're all set. You can also hang white curtains for a more whimsical impact while you're at it. Number 7. Build a watering can fountain. How about a small water feature? This fantastic watering can fountain is especially ideal for backyards full of greenery. All you need are some old watering cans and a wash bin and you're ready to start. It's simple, affordable, and stunning. In short, it's everything a DIY project should be. Number 6. Make your own chandelier. Who would have thought that with just some twine, lights, and grapevine balls, you can make such a homey chandelier perfect for your backyard? These light spheres are so rustic. They're all you need to make your space even cozier than ever before. Apart from your backyard, the chandelier also looks great on your patio or porch. Any outdoor space can definitely benefit from this stunning DIY craftsmanship. Number 5. Craft a Moroccan wall stencil. No need to travel to Morocco. This wall and floor stencil will give your backyard that colorful look. Designs your backyard with modern geometric Moroccan stencils for a unique vibe. These stencils are easy to work with and perfect for your DIY project. And that feeling you get after completing it? So rewarding. These stencils come in various designs, and you can paint them in whatever color you want, so you can easily color your patio floor according to your preference. It adds that perfect pop of color to your space. They're very affordable as well. With just some paint and stencil, you can give your backyard a phenomenal look. Number 4. Invest smartly. Not a specific idea per se, but this tip is definitely useful, especially when you're on a tight budget. When brainstorming backyard remodeling ideas, pick one element that's worth investing in, and then go modest on the rest. Your decision should be based on the needs of your backyard, so this may vary from a fire pit to expensive furniture. Once you've picked out a focal element, come up with others that will complement and accentuate the star of your backyard. These items can vary from pillows to bean bags to string lights. For a coherent look, be sure the decorations you get are in keeping with a certain theme. Number 3. Add some backyard lighting. Nothing exudes more drama to your backyard than elegant lighting, and apart from the sophisticated look it gives your space, it also adds a warm glow, perfect for those hanging out on chilly evenings. Whether it's string lights, lanterns, or chandeliers, lights will definitely add a touch of magic to your backyard. Number 2. Add a handmade backyard decor. You know what will add some oomph to your backyard? Some used fabric and vintage curtains. What's great about this idea is you can totally use whatever design you want. Whether you use all white linen for that ethereal effect or colorful ones for a vibrant feel, you can't go wrong. These linen layers are not only for aesthetic use, but also add a layer of protection from sun rays. Oh, and you can also place LED candles and hang chandeliers and string lights for a more dramatic effect at night. Before I finish this countdown, support the channel by pressing the subscribe button under the video. Keep us in your subscription tabs for more home and garden improvement ideas like this. And finally, let's close our countdown with number 1. Add a low-cost backyard seating. Sick and tired of that dull and boring space that is your backyard? Want a charming and spacious area where you can entertain your guests? Well, it's definitely time to give that old backyard an elegant yet affordable seating to add a chic appeal to your backyard. Apart from the charming look it gives, you will also have more seating and space to entertain your guests. You don't even need to buy new furniture for this idea. Some rugs and old chairs are more than enough to make your space more functional. Just place them in different areas of your backyard and you'll already make a huge transformation. Simple, yet very effective. Final thoughts. See? With the few suggestions you just learned, you can easily transform your backyard from blah to beautiful without burning a hole in your pocket. With these projects, who needs a contractor? Not to mention, the fulfillment you get from completing them is absolutely priceless. Plus, you get bragging rights to family and friends, too. These transformation projects are all easy, achievable, and budget-friendly, so as long as you are patient, dedicated, and committed, you can add charm to your space without breaking the bank. That's it for now. Since you're still watching this video, press the like button, comment, or share it with anyone close to you on your favorite social media channel. Browse and follow the Simp Home website for more amazing content related to home and decor ideas. And until we meet again later sometime in the future, thanks for watching.